Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you a really fun, quick prep ahead recipe, making your own spice blend. And what's really cool about this is you can tailor make it and it stays good in your pantry for up to 2 months. Love that. Get your Prepon and then just stick it in the pantry and it's ready for, protein rubs. You can rub it on vegetables. You can put it in different mixes. You can rub it on sweet potatoes. Really fun recipe. So here we go. So this recipe is smoky and spicy. So if you guys want less spice, add less cayenne. Less smoke, add less, something like smoked paprika. Add less of it. So you guys can totally tailor make this. The reason I like making my own spice blend is because a lot of times companies will put different ingredients in to preserve the shelf life. So you don't really know what's in it. So I like making it myself and it stays good for a couple months. So it's kind of a win-win. So let's do it. So here I have some chili powder. This is about 1/4 cup. Okay. Then we have some garlic powder, a couple teaspoons. And again, if you want it more garlicky, add more garlic powder. A couple teaspoons of onion powder. If you want it more oniony, if you're a huge onion fan, just add even more. You can totally tailor make it and mess around with some different flavors. Here's some cayenne, just a little pinch. If you like a little bit more heat, add a little bit more cayenne. We have cumin. I love cumin. I use cumin in a lot of stuff. And then this is our smoked paprika. This is a couple teaspoons. Again, this will add a lot of smoke flavor, so it's really good for some rubs on proteins, especially if you're gonna put them on the grill. But it is an intense flavor, so if you want, you can add less of that. So again, you can tailor make it. So really easily, we're just gonna mix it all together. My little mason jar here. Make sure you use something that you can really get into the nooks and crannies and stir it up. Cover it. Look at how quick that was. I know exactly what's in it. I know all the ingredients. I'm so happy this is ready to go at a moment's notice. So that's exciting. I'm gonna put this in my pantry. I hope you guys like this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one, and I'll see you guys soon. And let me know in the comments below the different kind of variations you guys do. I love hearing back from you guys. Let me know how you like this one, and I will see you soon.